What's up, Breeze Heat family? We are back again with another video. If you're here, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, share this with somebody you would like to see this. But we are starting with some hot honey chicken tenders, baby. Yes, get into it with some ranch, of course. But first, we're going to start off seasoning our chicken. All of the seasonings will be listed below, as well as how much ingredients. Everything will be listed below, including my Instagram. So if you do happen to try this, you can go ahead and tag me. So you're going to start off by seasoning your chicken tenders. You can take some chicken breasts and slice them if you want to, or you can have some regular chicken tenderloins. But you're going to take that and some mustard, add that to there, mix it on together. But the next step is going to be to add in like 2 cups of buttermilk is what I did. And then I also went in and added some hot sauce as well. And we're going to let that marinate for about, if you can, overnight, great. If not, you're trying to do this real quick, 30 minutes. We'll get the job done as well. You can add an egg in here too, but the next step is going to be to mix this together and let this sit and marinate with that buttermilk and hot sauce. A mixture is going to be really good. Just make sure that you get that like nice well and incorporate it into there. Next, we're going to go in with, I believe, 2 cups of flour. No, I did 3 cups of flour. There we go. 3 cups of flour and 1.5 cups of cornstarch in there. And I used the exact same seasonings that were inside of my chicken to go ahead and season my flour as well. You want your flour to be seasoned, because this is really the breading of your chicken tender. You want that to have some flavor to it. You don't want to be eating no bland. Yes, I know we are putting a sauce on it, but at the end of the day, when you bite into that chicken, you want to taste some type of flavor along with that sauce. So you can go ahead and mix that well together. Once all of them are mixed together, I went ahead and dumped it in there once. Back into the buttermilk mixture, and then back into the flour. That's what we call a double breading technique. And just use your hands. The tongs were too hard. Once you do that, all of your chicken tenders should look like this. I set them up on a wire rack and let them sit for about 5 minutes before I toss them into the fryer. I believe my fryer was on 350, which is the time. I'm talking about time, which is the temperature that you want to fry your chicken at. So I went ahead and added them into my fryer for about, I would say 7 minutes total. 7 minutes total. Let them become nice and hard, crispy. And while they're doing this, you're gonna start with your sauce. So I went in with some Frank's hot sauce, like the wing sauce, the buffalo wing sauce. And then I also took some honey. Honestly, I didn't measure it. I just squeezed it. So let's see how long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, count to 8 when you squeeze in the honey bottle. I almost said Hennessy. Y'all, Lord Jesus. Go ahead and mix that on together. Like I said, this recipe is super simple. Once your chicken's done, take it out. Let it rest on the wire rack for about 5 minutes. Taste your sauce. If it's as hot or as sweet as you would like it, that's great. If it needs more heat, add more sauce. More sweet, add more honey. Go ahead and dump them on your chicken tenders. And make sure that they are well coated. You don't have to pour the whole thing in there. I just did a little bit at a time just to make sure that it was nicely coated. If it wasn't, add more. If you're somebody who likes super wet wings, you can do it like that. But yeah, go ahead and go to Walmart, get you a silver bowl for dramatics, and toss your chicken in there. I swear it makes it so much more fun. But yeah, go ahead, add some parsley on the top, and you know it's the bomb, because I'm coming with that heat.